Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Cynthia here. It is New Year's Eve here in America, as I know it is in Pakistan as well. And so I wanted to send my very warmest greetings to the people of Pakistan and my Urdu. And you know, meri Urdu kharab hai, but I will try anyway. Please feel free to provide constructive feedback and criticism regarding my enunciation. Here it goes. Pakistan ke khoobsurat logo. Aap sabko naye saal mubarak ho. Pakistan Zindabad. So happy New Year to all of you. I wish I could be with you there now. I will look forward to hopefully seeing you all again soon. Very soon, inshallah.
हेलो दोस्त, मेरी तरफ से हैप्पी न्यू ईयर एडवांस। हेलो दोस्त, मेरी तरफ से हैप्पी न्यू ईयर एडवांस। हेलो दोस्त, मेरी तरफ से हैप्पी न्यू ईयर एडवांस।